Hello, dear friends. Myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bhopardhan. Today we will see electricity and magnetism. Course code number PHY 105, paper number 5. Now, today we will see numericals based on chapter number first, vector algebra. Now, we know that scalar product of two vectors, the scalar product of two vector a and b is defined as scalar quantity which is equal to the product of the magnitude of two given vectors and the cosine of the angle between their direction, that is a dot b equal to ab cos of theta. Also we know the commutative law a dot b equal to ab cos of theta, then b dot a equal to ba cos of theta. As a and b are real numbers, therefore ab cos of theta equal to ba cos of theta, that is a dot b equal to b dot a. Also we know that the for two mutually perpendicular vectors a dot b equal to ab cos of theta, AB cos of theta, if theta equal to pi by 2, then AB cos of pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, if I bar, j bar and k bar are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then I bar dot j bar equal to j bar dot k bar equal to k bar dot I bar equal to 0. Thus, the two vectors a and b are orthogonal vectors if and only if a dot b equal to 0. Also, we know that about the scalar product of two equal vectors. The scalar product of two equal vectors is given by a dot a equal to a cos of theta, that is equal to a square. I bar dot I bar plus j bar dot j bar equal to k bar dot k bar equal to 1. Now, scalar product of two unit vectors a bar and b bar is given by a bar dot b bar equal to cos of theta, where theta is the angle between the direction of a bar and b bar. Also, we know about associative law. If a and b are two vectors and m and n scalars, then ma dot nb equal to mn into a dot b. Also, we know vector product or cross product of two vectors a bar cross b equal to ab sine of theta into n cap. And also we know about the I bar cross I bar equal to j bar cross j bar equal to k bar cross k bar equal to 0, that is vector product of two equal vectors equal to 0. Vector product of two unit vectors a bar and b bar is given by a bar cross b bar equal to sine of theta into n cap. Also we know that I bar cross j bar equal to k bar equal to minus j bar cross I bar, and j bar cross k bar equal to I bar equal to minus k bar cross j bar, and k bar cross I bar equal to j bar equal to minus I bar cross k bar. So that is about the cross product and vector product of the two unit vectors a bar and b bar. Also we know that gradient of scalar field, we know if phi xyz be any continuously differentiable scalar function, then the gradient of the scalar function phi is mathematically defined as grad phi equal to I bar into dabba phi by dabba x plus j bar into dabba phi by dabba y plus k bar into dabba phi by dabba z, that is equal to grad phi equal to I bar dabba by dabba x plus j bar dabba by dabba y plus k bar dabba by dabba z into phi, that is equal to del phi, where del equal to I bar dabba by dabba x plus j bar dabba by dabba y plus k bar dabba by dabba z. So that is about the gradient of scalar field. Now see examples. First, that is a bar, b bar, c bar are three vectors. If a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0, now show that a bar cross b bar equal to b bar cross c bar equal to c bar cross a bar is the converse to justify your answer. Now see solution of this problem given, that is a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0. From this we can write a bar plus b bar equal to minus c bar. Now taking left cross product by a bar, we get, now taking cross product of this equation with a bar, we get a bar cross a bar plus a bar cross b bar equal to minus a bar cross c bar. So a bar cross b bar equal to c bar cross a bar. From this we can write as a bar cross a bar, that is equal to 0. So we get this a bar cross b bar equal to c bar cross a bar. In similar way, taking cross product of b and c, we get a bar cross b bar equal to b bar cross c bar equal to c bar cross a bar. Now again, when a bar cross b bar equal to b bar cross c bar equal to c bar cross a bar, then a bar cross b bar minus b bar cross c bar equal to 0. Therefore, a bar cross b bar plus c bar cross b bar equal to 0. Then a bar plus c bar into b bar. Now from this, taking b bar outside, then we get a bar plus c bar into b bar equal to 0. That is a bar plus c bar equal to alpha b, where alpha is scalar, and b bar plus c bar equal to beta a, and c bar plus a bar equal to gamma b, where beta gamma is scalar. Since alpha beta gamma are arbitrary, so the converse is not true. Now see example number second. Prove that for any four vectors a b c d, a bar cross b into c bar cross d equal to a c d into b minus b c d into a equal to a b d into c minus a b c into d. Now see solution of this problem. Let x equal to a cross b. Now LHS equal to x into c cross d. Now putting the value of this a cross b equal to x, then we get x into c cross d. So that is equal to C into x dot D minus D into x dot C. We can write now that is equal to C into A cross B dot D minus D into A cross B dot C. So that is equal to C into A dot B into D minus D into A dot B into C, that is equal to ABD into C minus ABC into D. Again putting C cross D equal to Y, we have A cross B cross C cross D equal to ACD into B and minus BCD into A. That is RHS of this. So LHS equal to RHS. Now next example, if A bar cross A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar are four coplanar but non-parallel vectors, show that A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar equal to 0. We know that A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar equal to ACD into B minus BCD into A. Now, since A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar are coplanar, then A bar, C bar, D bar equal to B bar, C bar, D bar equal to 0. Hence, true. Now, next, that is prove that alpha cross B cross gamma, beta cross gamma equal to alpha cross beta cross gamma if only if gamma into alpha into beta equal to 0. Now see, alpha cross beta cross gamma equal to alpha cross beta cross gamma. Now alpha cross beta cross gamma minus alpha into beta cross gamma equal to 0, or alpha cross beta cross gamma plus gamma into alpha cross beta equal to 0. Now beta into alpha dot gamma minus gamma alpha in dot beta plus alpha into gamma dot beta equal minus beta dot beta into alpha dot gamma dot alpha equal to 0. Now alpha into beta dot gamma minus gamma into alpha dot beta equal to 0. So gamma into alpha dot beta minus alpha into beta dot gamma equal to 0. From this, beta into alpha gamma into alpha equal to 0, and gamma into alpha cross beta equal to 0. The only if part is followed by proceeding in the reverse way. Now next example, if A bar equal to 2I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar, B equal to I bar plus J bar minus 3K bar, C equal to 3I bar minus J bar minus K bar, then find A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Now we know b bar cross c bar equal to determinant of I, J, K. Now we can write B bar cross C bar. So from this A bar, B bar and C bar, these are the given value of vectors. From this we can write the determinant. Now B bar cross C bar. So from this B bar equal to, now that is a value of B1, B2, B3. So B1 is 1, B2 is 1 and B3 is minus 3. So that is from B bar. Now next that is C1, C2, C3. So using this C bar equal to 3I bar minus J bar minus K bar. From this we can obtain C1 that is 3, C2 that is minus 1 and C3 that is minus 1. So B bar cross C bar equal to determinant of I, J, K 1 1 minus 3 3 minus 1 minus 1. Now solving this determinant, B bar cross C bar equal to I bar into minus 1 into 1 that is minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3. So after multiplication that is plus 3 and then again minus, so minus 3. So that is minus 1 and minus 3. Now next that is plus J bar. Now here 3 into minus 3 that is minus 9 and 1 into minus 1 and minus, so that is plus 1 plus K bar into 1 minus 1 that is minus 1 and minus 3 into 1 that is minus 3. So from this B bar cross C bar equal to minus 4I minus 8J minus 4K. So now A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal to determinant of I bar J bar K bar, that is now B bar cross C bar, that is using that value. Now A bar, from this A bar that is here A1 that is 2, 2 A2 and then A3 that is also 2. So 2 2 2 from this A bar, and B bar cross C bar that is from minus 4 minus 8 and minus 4. So now solving this determinant, A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal to I bar into minus 8 that is 2 into 4 that is minus 8 minus 8 into 2 that is minus 16. So minus minus 16 plus J into, now 2 into minus 4 that is minus 8 minus minus 4 into 2 that is minus 8 plus K bar. So 2 into minus 8 that is minus 16 minus minus 4 into 2 that is minus 8. So A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal to minus I bar into minus 8 plus 16 plus j bar into minus 8 plus 8 plus k bar into minus 16 plus 8. So a bar cross b bar cross c bar equal to, after simplifying, 8 I bar minus 8 k bar. So that is the value of a bar cross b bar cross c bar. Now next, if p equal to I bar minus 2j bar, q equal to j bar plus 3k bar, and r equal to 2I minus 3j plus 8k, then find the p cross q cross r. So first, q cross r equal to, now from this determinant of I j k, now here from q, that is 0, there is no term of I, so that is here, that component is 0, and j, that is the coefficient of j, that is here 1, and here coefficient of k, that is 3. So using that 0 1 3, next is r. So from this equation, 2 minus 3 plus 8. So q cross r equal to this, and solving this determinant we get I bar into 8 plus 3 into 3 minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9, plus j bar 2 into 3, that is 6, 0 into 8 0, plus k bar, that is 0, and minus 2. So q cross r bar equal to 17 I plus 6 j minus 2 k. So p bar cross q bar cross r bar equal to determinant of I j k. Now p bar, from this p, 1 minus 2 and 0, and q bar cross r bar, that is 17 plus 6 and minus 2. So solving the determinant, I bar into 4 minus 0 plus j bar into 0 plus 2 plus k bar into 6 plus 34, and from this p bar cross q bar plus r bar equal to 4 I bar plus 2 j bar plus 40 k bar. Now next example, that is prove that a bar cross b bar dot c bar cross d bar equal to a bar dot c bar into b bar dot d bar minus b bar dot c bar into b bar dot d bar. Now from this, now taking the LHS, a bar cross b bar dot c bar cross d bar, put a bar cross b bar equal to L bar. So LHS equal to L bar dot c bar cross d bar. In scalar triple product, dot and cross may be interchangeable. So that is equal to L cross c bar into d bar. Putting the value of L equal to a bar cross b bar, we get L bar equal to a bar cross b bar cross c bar into d bar. So from this, a bar cross b bar cross C bar dot D bar equal to minus C bar cross A bar cross B bar dot D bar equal to minus C bar dot B bar into A bar minus C bar dot A bar into B bar dot D bar is equal to C bar dot A bar into B bar minus C bar dot B bar into A bar dot D bar. So from this C bar dot A bar into B bar dot D bar multiplying by this D bar. So minus C bar dot B bar into A bar dot D bar, that is equal to RHS. Now next, that is prove that A bar cross B bar dot C bar cross D bar plus B bar cross C bar dot A bar cross D bar plus C bar cross A bar dot B bar cross D bar equal to 0. Now LHS equal to A bar cross B bar dot C bar cross D bar plus B bar cross C bar dot A bar cross D bar plus C bar cross A bar dot B bar cross D bar. We know that A bar cross B bar dot C bar cross D bar equal to, now taking dot product A dot C bar into B dot D bar minus B dot C bar into B dot D bar. Now B bar cross C bar dot A bar cross D bar equal to, now again taking dot product of this, we get B bar dot A into C bar dot D minus B bar dot D into C bar dot A and C bar cross A bar into B bar cross D bar equal to C bar dot B bar into A bar dot D bar and minus C bar dot D bar into A bar dot B bar. Therefore, LHS equal to A bar dot C bar dot B bar dot D bar minus B bar dot C bar dot B bar dot D bar plus B bar dot A bar dot C bar dot D bar minus B bar dot D bar dot C bar dot A bar plus C bar dot B bar into A bar dot D minus C bar dot D bar into A bar dot B bar. Now from after simplifying we get LHS equal to 0. Now next example, that is prove that A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar equal to B bar into A bar dot C bar cross D bar minus A bar into B bar dot C bar cross D bar equal to C bar A dot B into D bar minus D bar A dot B into C bar. Now LHS of this equation, A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar equal to, putting this A bar cross B bar equal to L. Now LHS equal to C bar cross L bar cross C bar cross D bar, putting above A bar cross B bar equal to L bar. So after solving, L bar cross C bar cross D bar equal to L bar dot D into C minus L bar dot c into d, and after solving a bar cross b bar dot d into c minus a bar cross b bar dot c into d, that is equal to a bar dot b into d into c minus a bar dot b into c into d, and that is equal to c bar a bar dot b cross d minus d bar into a bar dot b bar cross c bar, that is equal to RHS. Now again LHS equal to a cross b cross c cross d. Now putting c cross d equal to L bar. Therefore LHS equal to a bar cross b bar cross m bar. So that is equal to minus m bar into a bar cross b bar equal to minus m dot b into a bar minus m bar dot a bar into b bar. So minus mb into a bar minus ma into b bar, that is equal to minus c bar cross d bar dot b bar into a minus c bar cross d bar dot a bar into b, that is equal to minus c bar cross d bar dot b into a plus c bar cross d bar dot a bar into b, that is equal to, now again c bar cross d bar dot a bar into b, that is minus c bar cross d bar dot b into a. So as a dot b equal to b dot a, therefore a dot c cross d into b minus b dot c into d into a bar, that is equal to b bar into a bar dot c bar cross d bar minus a bar b bar dot c bar into d bar, that is equal to RHS. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross d bar b bar into a bar dot c cross d minus b bar dot c cross d equal to c into a dot b cross d minus d into a dot b cross c. Now see next example, that is if a equal to 3i plus 2j plus k and b equal to 4i minus 3j plus k and c equal to I bar minus 2j minus 3k and d equal to 2j minus k, then we have find out a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross d bar. So for this first we find a bar cross b bar, so equal to 3i plus 2j plus k cross 4i minus 3j plus k. So from this a bar cross b bar equal to I bar j bar k bar 3 2 1 4 minus 3 1. Now after solving this determinant we get a bar cross b bar equal to 5i plus j minus 17k, and also again c bar cross d bar equal to I bar minus 2j minus 3k cross 2j minus k. Therefore c bar cross d bar equal to determinant of I j k 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 2 minus 1. So after solving this determinant c bar cross d bar equal to 8i plus j plus 2k. Now from 1 and 2 we get a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross d bar equal to determinant of I j k 5 1 minus 17 8 1 2. Then after solving we get a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross d bar equal to 19i minus 4 146 j minus 3k. Now Next example, that is, if a bar and b bar are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, show that sine theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 a minus b bar. So we know that a bar minus b bar bracket square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So using that, a minus b mod of mod square equal to mod of a square plus mod of b square minus 2 times a b cos of theta, as a bar equal to b bar equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into 1 cos of theta, so that is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos of theta. So mod of a minus b brackets square equal to 4 sine square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 upon 4 a minus b square. So sin of theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 a minus b. Now next example, let us prove that the point a equal to 4i plus 8j plus 12k, b equal to 2i plus 4j plus 6k, and c equal to 3i plus 5j plus 4k, and d equal to 5i 8j plus 5k are coplanar. Now OA bar equal to 4i plus 8j plus 12k. OB bar equal to 2i plus 4j plus 6k. OC bar equal to 3i plus 5j plus 4k, and OD bar equal to 5i plus 8j plus 5k with the position vector of the given point with respect to origin. Therefore, AB bar equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A, and therefore that is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 6k minus 4i plus 2j plus 12k. So after solving, that is equal to minus 2i minus 4j minus 6k, and BC equal to position vector of C minus position vector of B. So from this we get BC bar equal to I plus J minus 2k, and CD bar equal to position vector of D minus position vector of C. So from this, CD bar equal to 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 1k bar. So A bar AB bar dot BC bar cross CD bar, using this determinant of minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, that is AB bar, and BC bar cross CD bar. So BC bar is 1 1 minus 2 and 2 3 1, that is CD bar. So solving determinant, we get AB bar dot BBC bar cross CD bar equal to 0. Therefore 4 points are planar. Now evaluate gradient phi if phi equal to 1 upon r. Now grad phi equal to del phi, that is equal to del 1 upon r equal to del of 1 upon under root of x square plus y square plus z square. So del phi equal to del of x square plus y square plus z square equal to minus 1 by 2, putting del equal to I bar deva by deva x plus j bar deva by deva y plus k bar deva by deva z. Now del phi equal to I bar deva by deva x plus j bar deva by deva plus k bar deva by deva z, x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 1 by 2. So after solving, we get I bar deva by deva x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 1 by 2 plus j bar x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 by 2, and plus k bar deva by deva z a square plus y square plus z square minus 1 by 2. Now after taking the partial differentiation of this, I bar into now deva by deva x of x square, that is here. Now this minus 1 by 2 is multiplying here, and that is here x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 1 by 2 into 2x, that is partial differentiation of deva by deva x of x square, that is 2x, and plus j bar into minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 1 by 2 into 2y, plus taking partial differentiation of this deva by deva z of x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square, and that differentiation with respect to z, so that is 2z. And so after solving, del phi equal to xi plus yj plus zk minus upon x square plus y square plus z square raised to minus 3 by 2, that is equal to minus r upon r cube. Now show that the vector field v bar equal to 2x plus y I plus 2y minus z j plus 3x minus 4z k is solenoidal, then if del dot v equal to 0, v bar is solenoidal. Del dot v equal to deva vx by deva x, deva vy by deva vz by deva z. Then del dot v equal to deva by deva x. Now vx is here 2x plus y, deva by deva y. Vy is 2y minus z, and deva by deva z, that is 3x minus 4z. So now taking partial differentiation with respect to x, we get here, that is partial differentiation of this 2x, that is 2 plus deva by 2y minus z, here differentiation of with respect to y, so that is 2, and plus deva by z 3x minus 4z, here differentiation with respect to z, that is here 4. So del dot v equal to 0. Now see next example, that is if a bar equal to xy I bar plus xz j bar plus yz k bar, find del cross a at point 112. So del cross a equal to determinant of I j k deva by deva x deva by deva y deva by deva z xy xz yz. So that is a bar is here, x bar x z here, and y z here, and del is here deva by deva x, deva by deva y, deva by deva z. So after different solving this determinant, I bar into deva by deva y y z minus deva by deva z x z minus j bar deva by deva x yz minus deva by deva z xy plus k bar deva by deva x xz minus deva by deva y xy. So after solving, I bar into deva by deva y yz, that is z, deva by deva z xz, that is here x, so z minus x minus j deva by deva x yz, and deva z deva by deva z of xy. Now here that differentiation with respect to s is 0, and here also a partial differential of z respect to z is also 0. So 0 minus 0 plus k bar deva by deva x of xz, that is z, and partial differentiation of xy with respect to y is here x. So del cross a bar equal to I bar 2 minus 1 plus k bar 2 minus 1, that is equal to I bar plus k bar. Find the directional derivative of phi x y z equal to 3x square y plus 2x square z square plus 4y z square at the point 1 2 2 in the direction I minus 2j plus 3k. Unit vector along the direction of. Now see I minus 2j plus 3k upon under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 equal to I minus 2j plus 3k into under root of 14. Now del phi equal to deva phi by deva x into I plus deva phi by deva y into j plus deva phi by deva z into k equal to 6xy plus 2z square into I plus 3x square plus 4z square into j plus 4xz plus 8yz into k. Now that is the del phi. Therefore, directional derivatives along I minus 2j plus 3k. Now that is equal to deva phi by deva s equal to I minus 2j plus 3k into under root of 14 dot del phi. So that is equal to 6 upon under root of 14 into xy plus 4yz plus 2zx minus x square minus z square. So deva phi by deva s at 1 to 2 is under root of is equal to 17 upon under root of 14. Now see in which direction through the point 2 1 minus 1 is the directional derivative of phi equal to x square y z cube, a maximum, and what should be the magnitude. Phi equal to x square y z cube, therefore del phi equal to deva phi by deva x into I plus deva phi by deva y into j plus deva phi by deva z into k. So here using this phi equal to a square yz cube equal to, now deva phi by deva x, that is partial differentiation of this a square y z cube, that is 2x y z cube. Next, that is deva phi by deva y, taking partial differentiation of this phi with respect to y, we get a square z cube and into j plus deva phi by deva z, that is taking differentiation partial differentiation of phi with respect to z, we get a square y into z square into 3 a square y z square into k. So del phi at 2 1 minus 1 is equal to, now we get minus 4I minus 4j plus 12k. Direction of maximum direction derivative at a point is given is along the direction of grad phi at the point. Therefore, required direction is minus 4I minus 4j plus 14 12k, and magnitude of del phi equal to 4 into under root of 11 upon 11. Now, see next example, that is, find a unit vector perpendicular to surface x square plus y square minus z square equal to 11 at the point 4 2 3. Now see, given that is 5 xyz equal to x square plus y square minus z square minus 11. So therefore del phi equal to delta phi by delta x into I plus delta phi by delta y into j delta phi by delta z into k. So del phi equal to, now taking the partial differentiation of this phi with respect to x, we get here 2x into I plus delta phi by delta y is here 2y into j, and delta phi by delta z, that is 2z into k, and that is constant quantity. So differentiation of this constant quantity is 0. So del phi equal to 2xi plus 2yj minus 2zk. So mod of del phi at 4 2 3 is equal to 8i plus 4j minus 6k. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to the surface at 4 2 3, that is equal to 8i plus 4j minus 6k in upon under root of 64 plus 16 plus 36, that is equal to 4i plus 4 2j minus 3k upon under root of 116. Now find del phi f and del cross f, del dot f and del cross f, where f equal to del phi and phi equal to x y plus yz plus zk zx. Now see, del phi equal to delta phi by delta x into I delta phi by delta y into j plus delta phi by delta z into k. Now we have given f equal to del phi and phi equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So f equal to y plus z into I, z plus x into j plus x plus y into k. So del f equal to delta by delta x y plus z plus delta by delta z plus x plus delta by delta z x plus y equal to 0. So del cross f equal to mod of I j k delta by delta x delta by delta y delta by delta z y plus z z plus x and x plus y. So del cross f equal to 1. Now after solving the determinant, we get 1 minus 1 into I plus 1 minus 1 into j plus 1 minus 1 into k, that is del cross f equal to 0. Now see next example, that is del dot e equal to 0, del dot h equal to 0, and del cross e equal to minus delta h by delta t, del cross h equal to delta e by delta t. Show that e and h satisfy the wave equation del square u equal to minus delta square u upon delta t square. We know that del cross e equal to del into del dot e minus del square dot e. So equal to minus del square e as del dot e equal to 0. Del cross e equal to del cross delta minus delta h by delta t equal to minus delta by delta t del cross h. So we get del cross into del cross E equal to minus del by del t into del by E by del t equal to minus del square E upon del t square. So therefore del square E equal to minus del square E upon del t square. In similar manner, taking del cross H, we can prove that the above relation for H bar also. Thank you.